Before we begin our exploration, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join our community of future tech enthusiasts. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Imagine a world where your home drives itself, where you can live off-grid without paying for fuel, and where road trips feel more like luxury vacations than exhausting journeys. Tesla's new $2 million electric motorhome isn't just another RV, it's the future of travel, comfort, and sustainable living, all on wheels. 1. Tesla enters the motorhome market. Tesla has always been about more than just cars. From the Model S that redefined electric driving to the Cybertruck that challenged traditional trucks, Tesla thrives on disruption and innovation. But now Tesla is moving into the recreational vehicle industry with a motorhome unlike anything we've seen before. The RV industry is massive, with millions of people in the US alone using motorhomes for travel and vacations. Yet most RVs rely on outdated fuel-guzzling engines that are expensive to run and harmful to the environment. Tesla saw this gap and decided to do what it does best: reinvent an entire industry. 2. The price tag. Why $2 million? At first glance, $2 million might sound outrageous for a motorhome. But Tesla isn't selling just a vehicle, it's selling a lifestyle upgrade. Here's why the price is justified. It includes cutting-edge technology, from self-driving systems to renewable energy storage. The materials used inside and outside are top-tier, rivaling private jets and luxury yachts. The exclusivity factor: early buyers aren't just purchasing an RV, they're buying a piece of history. Much like the Tesla Roadster or early Model S, this motorhome sets the stage for future, more affordable electric RVs. 3. A futuristic exterior that turns heads. The Tesla motorhome looks more like a spacecraft than a traditional RV. It ditches the bulky, boxy appearance and instead adopts an aerodynamic design that maximizes efficiency. Key exterior features include a solar panel roof system that harvests sunlight to charge the massive battery packs, smart adaptive windows that adjust tint automatically, giving you privacy while keeping the interior cool, sleek LED headlights, and a streamlined body that makes it stand out wherever it goes. On the road, this vehicle doesn't just blend in, it dominates the landscape like a rolling piece of futuristic art. 4. Energy independence, living off-grid. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of Tesla's motorhome is its ability to be completely self-sustaining. With Tesla's energy ecosystem, owners can travel for weeks without relying on external power sources. Battery technology. Equipped with a mega battery pack inspired by Tesla's Powerwall and Model X technology, it offers massive range. Solar energy. The solar roof and deployable panels can generate enough energy to run the vehicle and all living systems inside. Supercharging. When needed, the Tesla motorhome connects seamlessly with Tesla's worldwide supercharger network. This isn't just travel, it's freedom to live anywhere without compromise. 5. The interior. A mansion on wheels. Step inside and it feels less like an RV and more like a luxury apartment designed by Tesla. The interior is minimalist yet futuristic, following Tesla's signature style. Highlights include a spacious living area with retractable walls that expand when parked, creating more room, a smart kitchen with induction cooking, AI-powered appliances, and sustainable energy usage, a luxurious bedroom suite with memory foam queen bed, customizable lighting, and entertainment screens, a modern bathroom with water recycling technology and eco-friendly climate control. This isn't about surviving on the road, it's about thriving in comfort and style. 6. Self-driving capabilities. Relax while you travel. Perhaps the most jaw-dropping feature is Tesla's integration of its full self-driving system into the motorhome. Road trips will never be the same again. Tesla's advanced AI and 360-degree cameras allow the RV to drive itself across highways. The system can optimize routes for charging and rest stops. Enhanced safety features automatically detect hazards, ensuring maximum protection. Imagine sipping coffee in your living room or working on your laptop while your Tesla motorhome safely drives you across states. That's the future of stress-free travel. 7. Cutting-edge connectivity. Tesla knows that modern travelers want to stay connected, no matter where they are. That's why the motorhome is equipped with Starlink satellite internet, offering fast global internet coverage even in remote areas. A Tesla-designed smart hub that controls lights, appliances, and entertainment with voice commands. Augmented reality dashboards that give real-time updates on energy usage, distance, and weather. This transforms the RV into a rolling smart home where convenience meets technology. 8. Environmental impact. Clean and green travel. Traditional RVs burn diesel or gasoline, making them some of the least eco-friendly vehicles on the road. Tesla's electric motorhome changes that narrative. Zero tailpipe emissions mean cleaner air. Solar-powered living reduces carbon footprint. Long-lasting, recyclable materials make it a sustainable investment. For eco-conscious travelers, Tesla's motorhome is the perfect way to explore without harming the planet. 9. Who will buy it? Clearly, a $2 million motorhome isn't for everyone, but Tesla has a specific audience in mind. Wealthy adventurers who want the ultimate travel experience. Digital nomads who need luxury while working remotely. Celebrities and influencers looking for unique status symbols. Tech enthusiasts who want to own Tesla's latest groundbreaking invention. Over time, Tesla could release more affordable versions, but for now, this is a luxury product for pioneers. 10. Impact on the RV industry. Tesla's motorhome is likely to shake up the entire recreational vehicle industry. Current RV manufacturers rely heavily on gas-powered models, and few have explored electrification. Tesla is pushing the competition to innovate or risk being left behind. Just as Tesla forced car makers to embrace EVs, it may push RV makers to create greener, smarter vehicles. Within a decade, we might see electric RVs becoming the new industry standard. Conclusion: Tesla's $2 million electric motorhome is rewriting the rules of travel. It's not just a bold experiment. It's a glimpse into the future where sustainability, technology, and luxury come together in perfect harmony. It may start as a toy for the wealthy, but just like the Tesla Roadster, it could eventually transform an entire industry. One day, electric motorhomes might be affordable and common, but for now, Tesla has set the stage with a creation that feels like it belongs to the future. So what do you think? Is Tesla's motorhome the ultimate road trip machine, or just a dream for the rich? Either way, one thing is clear: Tesla has already changed how we imagine the open road. Like, share, and subscribe.